Imagine this: 7.8 billion people, all letting one rip at the exact same moment. A global fart. The ultimate toot symphony. Could this colossal release of gas create chaos? Would it shatter windows, disrupt ecosystems, or simply leave the world holding its nose? Let's find out. First, let's get something out of the way. Everyone farts. Yes, you, me, even the Queen. On average, each of us lets loose 12 to 25 times a day, releasing over 1 liter of gas daily. Some of us, let's call them gas giants, can even produce close to 2 liters. But here's the kicker. What's actually in a fart? It's not just random air. Oh no, farts are a carefully curated cocktail of 6 gases: nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, methane, and sulfur. Methane, by the way, is what makes farts flammable. Ever heard of someone lighting their fart on fire? Yep, you can thank methane for that party trick. And sulfur, that's the real stinker here. It's the main ingredient responsible for that unmistakable rotten egg smell. So next time someone blames the dog, just know, it's sulfur that's to blame. Now let's imagine every single person on Earth, all 7.8 billion of us, farted at the exact same time. What would happen? First, let's talk about the noise. With billions of farts firing off simultaneously, the sound would be deafening, like a worldwide thunderclap, but stinkier. The combined sound waves might even set off car alarms or spook flocks of birds into panicked flight. Forget fireworks on New Year's Eve. This would be the real global spectacle. And the smell? Let's just say it would be unforgettable. Entire cities would be enveloped in a greenish haze of stink. People would grab gas masks, open windows, or, ironically, hold their breath, though that wouldn't help much. If you wanted to prepare for this monumental event, here's what you'd need to do. Head somewhere far away, like the Sahara Desert, or a remote island in the Pacific Ocean to avoid the stink. Better yet, if you want to go all in, prepare by eating the ultimate fart-enhancing diet. Beans, cabbage, onions, these are your best friends in this scenario. But what about people in densely populated areas like New York, Tokyo, or London? Oh boy, they'd be in for the worst of it. Imagine the deafening roar echoing through subway cars, offices, and crowded streets. Forget about perfume ads. Deodorizing sprays would become the hottest commodity on the market, flying off shelves faster than toilet paper during a pandemic. Interestingly, diet plays a huge role in how potent your farts are. For example, in regions like Italy or the Middle East, where garlic, spices, and legumes are dietary staples, the event could be, shall we say, more aromatic. Meanwhile, places with less fiber-heavy diets might experience a milder impact. So yes, your national cuisine could determine whether your contribution to the event is a polite puff or a full-on toxic blast. Now, here's the big question. Would this event actually harm the planet? The short answer is no. The gases released during this great global toot would dissipate quickly into the atmosphere. And here's some good news. Only about 50% of farts contain methane, so there's no risk of a worldwide fireball. Plus, less than 1% of farts contain significant amounts of sulfur, so not all of them would even smell bad. Lucky us. In conclusion, if everyone farted at the same time, it would be loud, smelly, and undeniably gross. But it wouldn't be catastrophic. The Earth would survive, and so would we. And hey, we'd all have an unforgettable story to tell at parties. So, the next time someone lets one slip, just remember, it's all part of being human. And thankfully, we're not all doing it at once, yet. Thanks for joining us on this weird and wonderful thought experiment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bizarre what-if adventures. Got a crazy idea? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep it classy. Or at least, try to.